Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Basically, we are discussing another topic, that is city creation. In city creation, basically, we are discussing another topic, that is future creation. So just now, basically, plane basically is crossing basically. So whenever basically we are starting this, na basically one plane basically is crossing. So one of the person told that basically is this basically plane of some jasusi group basically. One of the person basically told this also basically that somebody is doing jasusi of Vadodara city. So one of the person told that no, basically that is not doing jasusi basically. That plane basically is going somewhere else basically. So one of the person told that basically we are here seeing that basically the future data basically, that is future incidents basically, which is the Apple creation basically, and Apple creation basically contains future creation basically. So one of the person told that what is actually future creation, that basically we have already discussed. That is where the Mont Blanc is going to happen. That is vitamin A basically. Which city is going to end, which city is going to create basically. That is also vitamin C. So like this basically each and every things basically are created, already created. This everything is already done basically. This is done by the medical industry, government, governments, army groups, legal groups, that is High Court and Supreme Courts. Then basically the creation, construction groups, nuclear groups, energies groups, power groups. Medical group basically contains everything basically, blood groups, each and everything basically. Then banks groups, without money basically nothing is possible. Then basically the 12 lakh crore dollar money groups. So this is that basically the middle group basically, and these groups are handling the world basically. These groups are basically handling the world, and these groups basically are equal to kings, families, groups, and these groups are equal to universe, families, groups. So see basically the chain basically. See basically the chain basically. One of the person told that you are not getting job now basically. So that might be some problem with your, because I will tell one example basically. Lots of people basically do lots of things basically. The chief minister basically, see basically how they elected as a chief minister basically. They basically collects the 100 plane crash, 200 plane crash, 300 plane crash. They basically are getting the post of chief minister basically. They are getting the post of chief minister basically. So in India, one of the person to other basically, if you finish the entire city, na basically, then you will basically gets the post basically. Then one of the person told that if you see it's like that basically, then why the what is this group basically doing basically? That is this group basically. That is this group basically. Brahma Kumari group basically. What these groups are doing? See basically one song also we will see. Marriage song basically. Marriage song of Brahma Kumari. तुमको करवा चौथ लो, तुम न बोलो को गिर जाता है. Which song is good that I'm singing? See basically this. मैं तुमको नजर आऊं. See basically this. So this is that song basically. Then one of the person told that basically what these groups are doing here basically. What these groups are basically doing. Then one of the person told that basically these groups basically might be what they might be doing basically. One of the person asked the question. They are basically doing the plan of next world basically. Next world means basically what? One of the person asked the question basically. Next world means what basically? So they told that basically whatever people Brahma Kumari, which kind of people basically are staying in this Brahma Kumari basically, which kind of people basically are staying. So one of the person told that basically in Brahma Kumari, the people who has died basically they gets the second birth. So next video basically we are going to see about Brahma Kumaris.